guys, welcome back to Style Me Up with Sakshi. I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. Today we're going to be doing a questions and answers video because we've not done a life update video in a while. और मुझे लगा कि it's about time that I answer some of the questions about my life, about what is going on, anything that you guys would like to ask me. So I asked on my YouTube, on my Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me on my Instagram, go follow because I'm very interactive with you guys. Let's jump right into the question and answers. Okay, starting off with the questions. Suparna De. By the way, if I say somebody's name wrong, I'm really sorry. But she asked the one moment that changed your life. Second question, she asked your favorite fashion trend. Third, have you ever been in love? Your favorite book. Love you a lot. Keep rocking. ASKSAKSHI. I think one of the biggest achievements that I thought at that time was my biggest achievement was when I became the house captain. It was kind of a big deal because there were just school captains and house captains, and I became the house captain. And I thought that was like the one big, like a milestone that I achieved. Like school mein, you become the house captain. Everybody starts looking up to you and stuff. So I think that was the moment that I knew that, okay, if I'm capable of this, I'm capable of anything. My favorite fashion trend has to be either florals or off shoulders. Third, have you ever been in love? Depends. I have been in love once, I think. Yes. I feel like I still am, but okay. Your favorite book? My favorite book has to be How to Be a Boss by Lily Singh. I don't read a lot of books, and that's just the one book that I've read. Sonal Verma has asked me, have you ever caught a YouTuber copying your content? #AskSakshi. Yes, I have. Okay, so the next question is, what YouTubers or other bloggers will do after they'll get older? So honestly, we're in an industry where we're relevant only for a few years. I feel like unless people like watching us is the time they'll continue watching us. Fortunately, our viewers are also growing old with us, so I'm hoping that you guys will stay even when I'll be like 35 or 40 years old. I'll continue making video content or some sort of content online if the online industry is still prevalent at that time. Other than that, honestly, I feel because social media has so much power, you can venture out into other industries and other careers very easily once you're an established blogger or a YouTuber. Like, you can be a content creator, you can be an editor, you can be a stylist. Opportunities are endless. My best friend Raghav's behind the camera and he's irritating the crap out of me. He's just like literally looking at me like, that's what you're looking at me like. Okay, so the next question is, what is the best and the worst memory of your teenage life? So the best memory has to be, I used to do a lot of disc throw. I don't know, because I was a bigger kid, all because of the weight and the height. I used to throw the disc like really far away, so I used to always win the gold medal. I think that's definitely one of my best memories. I was bullied a lot in school, especially in 6th, 7th, 8th. I was bullied a lot. There were very weird bullying people in my school. I don't have any hard feelings for them now, but at that time you guys sucked. Can you tell us about your favorite place you have ever traveled to? My favorite place has to be Hawaii. Guys, please save up और एक बार जाके Hawaii देखकर आना. You guys will actually thank me. It will blow your mind. It's definitely one of the best places I've ever been to. Okay, so the next question is, what are your biggest fears in life? Definitely being lonely. I'm okay with being alone, but I'm not okay with being lonely. I also fear ghosts a lot, even though they don't exist. I know that, but I can't watch horror movie, no shit. I can't watch it. Okay, so Riya asked me, where do you see yourself in the next 10 years? Married or not? Having a golden play button or not? Financially settled or not? Married, yes. Having a golden play button, I really hope so. I really do. I really want this channel to grow as much as it can. So, by the way, plug in. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Financially settled or not? Of course, like more than, I feel like financially settled, I don't want to be one of those people who are financially like really sound but are very unhappy. Happiness has always been a very major priority in my life. I feel like mental health and happiness is something that I always prioritize. So yeah. Okay, so one of the people on my Instagram have asked me what is Nonu's real name. By the way, Nonu is my nephew for all those who don't know, and his real name is Vivan Taneja. He's the cutest little boy. You don't need to argue with that. He just is. Okay, ever since I announced that I'm doing a Q&A video, a lot of people have asked me questions like, how do I start my own blog? I want to start my own YouTube channel. Is 2018 a good time to start your your own YouTube channel, there's a lot of competition around. Is this the right time to start? And my channel isn't growing. What do I do, Sakshi? So I'm going to answer all of them together. Firstly, universe is endless. The opportunities that will come are endless. There's enough opportunity for every single person. So don't think that we're not going to start it only because there's so many bloggers. If you're different and if your content is different and something that will inspire even one person, trust me, it's worth it to start your own YouTube channel or a blog. The only thing is you shouldn't start it for the wrong reason, which is money and fame. I think a lot of young people are going into the blogging industry or YouTube industry just because they see so many pros of this industry. Honestly, I'm telling you, this is hard work. I'm not going to sugarcoat it for you. This is hard work every single day of your life. You will feel demotivated. You will feel like your creativity is going down. You will feel so much pressure in general. So if you're not up for all of those challenges and all of those cons of this industry, don't get into it if you're not fully passionate of just creating content. Period. Okay, so one person has asked me, at what point of your career you thought you can be a YouTuber? If not a YouTuber, what else? I think I was in third year of my college, of my graduation, when I thought like YouTube is something that I really want to do. And even though I was not earning even a single penny out of it, I just continued making videos, so many videos, so many. I have more than like I think 100, 200 videos on my channel, and I just loved creating videos. And that's the only thing that, was driving me. Being on this social media platform gave me so much confidence you can't even imagine. Okay! I have no rights of knowing, but is Raghav Arora your boyfriend? You need to ask Raghav. I'm going to mention his Instagram. Raghav, are you my boyfriend? Are you my boyfriend, Raghav? He's actually behind the camera. Are you my boyfriend? I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay, so the question is your hair naturally curly or have you got it permed? #AskSakshi. It's naturally curly, guys. This is my natural hair. I've just washed it. I actually washed it yesterday, so this is how it looks like naturally. Most of my shoots, I don't do anything with my hair, and if you see my hair straight, it's probably because I've straightened it because I have naturally curly hair. No, I haven't got it permed. What is your age? I am 22 years old. A lot of people would think that I'm probably like 25 or 26. I get this a lot. But no, I'm 22. I'm feeling 22. Okay then. Hi Sakshi, like you, I'm also a science student and doing my graduation in bio, but want to do something else next. So can you please talk about how you shifted from science to fashion? It will help me a lot. It will inspire me to have my dreams. Please answer my questions. Thank you. Love you. I love you so much. Also, thank you for asking this question. Yes, I was a graduate in BSc Zoology. I had science in my 12th, 11th, 12th, and then I also pursued science in my graduation. But in my post-graduation, I pursued fashion styling and image design. That was a huge change in the career, and I felt that was something needed because in third year of my graduation, while I was still pursuing BSc Zoology, I started my YouTube channel, and ever since I started my YouTube channel, I knew I had to get into this industry, into the styling business, into the styling industry, and just fashion industry in general. And if your parents, you gotta have a one-to-one conversation, a frank conversation with your parents. My parents were thankfully very understanding because they saw how passionate I was in creating video content on YouTube, and they completely supported me because they saw the amount of effort I was putting in. Guys, if you generally go to your parents and tell them, oh, we don't want to do this and we want to do that, but they don't know where it's coming from, like they don't have any roots to that conclusion, they're probably not going to support you. They need to see that you've been working towards that goal or that change in your field. Only then they will support you. So please don't jump from science or engineering or being a doctor into some other industry if you're not fully sure of it. Okay, so the next question is, Macintosh asked me, how adorable do you look, she said. And anyway, my question is, I don't remember the last time I read a blog. I want to start my own, but I honestly do not know who would visit it and how do I go about it. #AskSakshi. I've never had a blog of my own. I've always had a YouTube channel, and yes, I know the blogging industry is dying a little bit. A lot of bloggers actually earn out of their Instagram, and people like to see pictures rather than reading. It's a very sad thing, and the industry is moving towards video content. That's why Facebook is giving so much heat to videos, and videos are just like everything. Even musicals are coming up, Snapchat is upping the game, Instagram, IGTV has come up, so you would know that people are consuming a lot more video content, and that's probably why people are not that interested in reading articles. I'm not sure if you should start it unless you're very fond of writing, and if you're a great writer, people are gonna read your blog regardless. Okay, so the next question is, when was the last time you picked an outfit for yourself, wore it to an event and clicked pictures, but later reviewing your pics, you realize, what the F was I thinking while choosing this outfit? So yeah, I have this embarrassing outfit that I wore to Amazon India Fashion Week. It was actually the first Amazon India Fashion Week that I ever visited. First Amazon that I went to, and I wore this. By the way, I looked ridiculous because the first 2 days I was wearing something so minimalistic, so my style, and I wasn't getting clicked by these pages, by Amazon photographers, and I was like, I need to step up my game, I need to wear something crazy, because people were wearing all sorts of craziness at Amazon. It was almost like a theme party going on, and everybody just wanted to win and get themselves photographed. So the next day I was like, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna be like Sasta Harry Potter, maybe. Ish. Okay, so I keep getting a few questions about how am I so positive, how am I so happy all the time, how do I have this much energy, Sakshi, you inspire me. I always feel so happy whenever I see your Instagram stories or your videos and stuff like that. And to that, I want to say that I am only human. I don't stay happy 100% of the time all throughout the day. I have my low days and I have my high days, but I choose what to show and what not to show on my social media. Firstly, because I know that a lot of young people are following me. Secondly, I have this responsibility. I can't be very careless with the kind of content that I'm putting out there. So if I'm putting like negative rants and just negative things on social media, what good is it doing to anybody? Another thing is that if I put something nice, something positive on social media, like on my Instagram story, and somebody is having a bad day, I've gotten so many messages from so many girls saying that I had an awful day, but then we saw your Instagram story and now we feel so much better. That makes my day great. And the reason why a lot of social media people, influencers, put certain content on their social media is also because they don't want to spread negativity in this world. There's too much negativity anyway, and when there are times when we need to speak up or be opinionated on certain issues, if there are certain social issues coming up, if there's something really wrong happening in the country or in the industry and we need to speak up, people gather up and speak about it, whether it is negative or positive. But most of the time, like, why would you want to put your negative things on social media? Social media is there to make you happy. Don't mistake it that we have a perfect life. We have a life just like you have a life. Honestly, we're no different than you. So, I think I answered my question. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, आपको पता है क्या करना है? जल्दी से thumbs up दो, hit the subscribe button, do all of that jazz, and follow me on my Instagram. I hope I answered some of your questions, and I would really want to have more interactive sessions just like this one with you guys, where I can sit and talk and you guys can have a popcorn or tea and just sit and chat with me, and I will definitely do that for you. I will see you guys super soon. Till then, take care and have a nice day ahead. Bye.